This is today's SMC Outlook for the day. This is the place where I will be sharing my major Forex pair setups, and of course, gold. And all this is my own personal trading plan and definitely not financial advice. But with that being said, you guys have a profitable day, and yeah, we get on with the video. Today is a Tuesday market, March 10th, and you can see that like basically today early morning, yesterday night, Trump has spoken. That's why you can see the markets have moved a little bit towards one side. You will see that in the next chapter, which is the technical analysis. But again, once again, two clean trading days, Monday and Tuesday. Tomorrow we have CPI to be dropped, and if you want to see CPI's analysis, do subscribe, do like the video, and watch tomorrow's daily analysis, right? Yeah, with that being said, let's get on with the technical analysis. These are the pairs that I'll be analyzing today. I won't be doing silver because I just use silver for correlation with gold, but everything else will be properly analyzed. All right, we will start off with gold's analysis. So what we can see in gold is just like I said yesterday, I don't really think that we are on the sell. Like, I generally don't think that we have shifted. I feel like price is slowly going to go back up like this. So that is my plan. But that being said, we will still need some retracement from a legitimate level, right? So if you draw, now if you draw a Fibonacci from this swing to the bottom, you can see that we still need to get a proper retracement. We have hit equilibrium, but we are still yet to come into the golden region for a good retracement. So that 100 pips, that 200 pips is what I'm there to capture, right? That is trading. So again, so today this setup is definitely possible. If price falls back, then I have another 1 hour zone, right? Let's go into the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we have a 1 hour sell zone, and in the 1 hour I have a 1 hour buy zone. So basically, if price comes back down, I'm looking for it to go back up into this region. Similarly, if price goes all the way straight away up here, then I'm looking for price to come back down. So this is my trade idea for gold. It's a pretty simple trade idea, one buy and one sell. And yeah, that's about it. We'll go to EURUSD. EURUSD price has filled in the gap down, completely obliterated the gap down, and now we are moving into buy area, like price. So basically what price did was, once price swept the previous week's low, you can see that price has immediately shifted up, but the overall trend is still down, and I'm expecting price to come back down. Especially you can see I've drawn a fib for the entire swing. So if you go into the 4 hours, you can see the whole swing. So I've drawn the Fibonacci for the whole swing, and we are yet to come into the equilibrium region. And that is exactly where I drew my first order block, right? My first order block comes from an equilibrium region, and you can see we have beautiful inducement and we have a trend line forming. Price has just broken the trend line. I'm expecting price to come back into this region, somewhere around this region, and then push back up today. And this trade is what I am looking for. All right. And similarly so on the GBPUSD, the same setup that we saw for EURUSD for the sell, it has already been achieved by GBP, and that's why I'm expecting this to be the better trade, right? So you have previous month's low resting right here. So this creates a very good price action level, right? So this will act as a very good resistance and a very good price action level, and hence my 1 hour zone. And we can see that price has already it has given me a change of character, and it has given me an entry already, right? I will show this to you. So this was the last break of structure to the upside. So the bottom of this will give me the choch, and you can already see I've drawn a Fibonacci. Price has reacted off the equilibrium region. This is where I will put my SL, and my TP will be somewhere here, right? So on the similar setup, I have set a limit order for this area, and I put the SL above the swing, and I've set a TP to capture all this fair value gap areas. So this is my trade idea. And also on the big picture, we are in the equilibrium region and the golden region of GBPUSD. So this trade looks highly likely and highly possible. So that is something to keep in mind. USDJPY, so yesterday I gave two setups. Yesterday I gave a region to enter from around here, but price clearly has violated a little bit, but price is bouncing from this region. But I'm going to be skipping this trade today because even though the liquidity is very good on the top, my bias is unclear because we have previous week's high right here, so that runs right through the fair value gap. So the fair value gap could act as a sell side instead of the buy side. NZDUSD is a little bit sad because yesterday I had two ideas, right? I had one idea from this region, and this was my main idea. So around this region, I got a change of character. I entered on this trade. You can see right here, and it is an SL. This video on this trade and the exact dashboard, everything will be uploaded later today. But for now, you can see that. This 15-minute zone has worked perfectly. You can see it's almost a perfect U/A setup. It's like just perfectly rounding. So I don't think I will get a re-entry opportunity, but if the re-entry comes, this is the zone that I will be entering, right? This is 30-minute zone. I will use it as a retest. I'll get a change of character in the 5 minutes, enter, and just go for the full TP. So this is my NZDUSD plan. USDCAD, just like your USDJPY, it is a little bit unclear because you have previous month's low to have previous week's low, and like in between is just sandwiched in between, and you have a lot of gap, and again a lot of gap between this order block, right? So what I'm expecting price to do is to come back up and go back down into till here, but after that it is a little bit hard. And taking a Fibonacci for the entire swing, you can see that this order block will come from a 15-minute region and the golden region in between that. So it is a very good retracement point for the trade. USDCHF we'll skip today. Definitely the bias is very unclear. You can see previous month's high and previous week's high is right here, and it's very unclear right now, so I'm just gonna skip USDCHF. Coming on to EURUSD. Again, EURUSD is a little bit unclear. Price has just swept previous week's low, so I'm expecting price to give me another break of structure. Then you can probably even enter for the top side. That is one trade plan that you can try. What I'm trying to tell you is this is the last POS, right? So once price breaks this, price will give me a change of character. Now, once price comes back down and gives me a break of structure, right? It gives me a break of structure. You can enter from this region, put the SL right above this swing or maybe even this swing, and go for previous day's high. So that is one trade idea that you could try for today. And finally, AUDUSD again. Yesterday I had given an AUDUSD plan for sell, but price has clearly violated. I think my sell idea was somewhere around this region, right? And price has clearly violated past that, but price is slowly coming back down. But I don't expect it to hold, and that's why I'm just gonna leave it. But that is it. This is my trade idea for today, and I hope you guys liked it. If you guys made it this far in the video, do let me know in the comment section below. It gives me a smile to me. And do like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.